Yes, my dear friends, in this lesson we will test our project 6. So let's get started. You can see here we have connected our Arduino board to our computer, and you see our relay module connects with Arduino board, and also if we want to control LED diode, we should connect our LED diode to the relay module. So now, if we want to control our project 6, what we have to do now is to run our Python code of project 6. So now I will run my Python code. And you can see here is our interface and here is our on button. If I click this, and you see here our LED diode is turned on. But also if I click again, and you see here is our off button, and also our LED diode is turned off. So now let's click again. You see turning on and turning off. Alright my dear friends, in this lesson we have successfully completed our project 6. So now let's move on to our other section and let's build more beautiful projects.